Transcending the Illusion of Victimhood. The mindset of victimhood often takes root in families that operate within dense, limiting structures of the third-dimensional 3D experience. In these environments, helplessness and powerlessness are not just emotional states, but deeply ingrained patterns. Some family systems create scenarios where no choice leads to personal freedom, reinforcing the illusion that sovereignty is unattainable. By adulthood, this belief can become habitual, shaping one's perception of life as a series of misfortunes. Beneath this outward helplessness often lies suppressed anger, either turned inward as self-sabotage or outward in moments of frustration. At times, suffering itself may be unconsciously wielded as a means of manipulation to elicit care and sympathy or avoid personal responsibility. For those caught in this cycle, the notion that they create their reality may feel like an attack rather than an opportunity. The ego entangled in the victim identity resists any suggestion of self-empowerment, perceiving it as blame instead of liberation. Yet at the heart of this experience lies a profound spiritual lesson, the awakening of personal sovereignty. The first step to liberation is recognizing that victimhood is a belief system, not an absolute truth. This realization may feel overwhelming at first, like standing at the base of an impossibly steep mountain. However, the moment one sees through the illusion that they have always had the power to choose a new reality, the game begins to lose its grip. True transformation occurs when one understands that change has always been within reach. Those who see themselves as victims are not inherently powerless. They are creators who have temporarily forgotten their light. The universe is not indifferent or cruel. It is an ever-supportive force, responding to the shifts in consciousness. The journey from victimhood to sovereignty is not easy, but it is always possible. It begins with a single step, the willingness to take responsibility for one's energy and reclaim the power of conscious creation.